you have been following my $100 Bitcoin monthly challenge, you would know that this is where we've been investing $100 into Bitcoin every month. The goal is to do this for 5 years. If you're new here, here is the simple challenge. This is where I invest $100 into Bitcoin every single month for the next 5 years, irrespective of the performance of Bitcoin. I started this challenge 3 months ago. If you missed the previous episode for episode 1 and 2, I'm going to link it in the description area below. And today marks month 3 of investing $100 into Bitcoin. Remember, the goal is to invest for the next 5 years, irrespective of the performance of Bitcoin in the short term. This challenge is all about consistency, meaning small steps, long-term growth mindset, nothing fancy, no hype, just building a consistent habit of disciplined investing over the next 5 years. Let me do a quick portfolio check to see how our investment has done so far for the past 2 months. And as of this recording, today was a red day in both the equities market and also in crypto, meaning that the 3 major indices were in the red today. That is the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq. But as a long-term investor, buying on a red day is usually the best time to dollar cost average because I'm getting Bitcoin at a discount. I'm going to check our portfolio, and I'm also going to show you how I'm going to invest another $100 into Bitcoin today. So I'm logging in on my phone to see where our portfolio is so far. So I just logged into my app right now, which I'm still going to pull up on my screen. But just a quick update, our Bitcoin so far is around $192. Again, we've invested $200 so far, and as of this recording is around $192.46. But as a long-term investor, don't pay too much attention to short-term volatility. In fact, you should be very excited that Mr. Market is giving us another buying opportunity on a red day. Remember, the goal is to build a consistent habit of investing $100 into Bitcoin for the next 5 years. Also remember that this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing in this video should be taken as investment or financial advice. So many people stress about buying Bitcoin or stocks at the perfect time. But there is never going to be a perfect time. The goal is to dollar cost average consistently, meaning that you are investing a fixed amount into an asset over a period of time. So for me, I'm investing $100 into Bitcoin every last Friday of the month for the next 5 years, irrespective of the performance of Bitcoin in the short term. And now I'm going to show you where I'm going to be investing $100 into Bitcoin. Right now, I'm going to log into NDAX, one of the top Canadian crypto exchanges. You can use any crypto exchange of your choice, KuCoin, Binance, Index, or Bybit. If you don't have an Index account and you would like to open one, I'm going to leave the link in the description below. And if you use my referral link, you and I were going to get $15 each if you fund your account with at least $100. Okay? Over time, as we continue building this public portfolio, it's very important to move this to our personal cold hardware wallet. As our wealth becomes sizable over time, we're going to be moving our wealth to a personal cold hardware wallet to store our crypto long term. This is just a way to preserve our wealth because any crypto exchange is just a marketplace to buy and sell. It's never a place to hold our crypto, but today I'm not going to be demonstrating how to move Bitcoin to my personal hardware wallet. In subsequent videos, I'm going to show you how to move Bitcoin to your personal hardware wallet. And for me personally, I use 2 different cold hardware wallets. The first one is Ledger and the second one is a Tangem. If you'd like to get one of those, I'm going to link those in the description area below. But for today, I'm demonstrating how I'm investing $100 into Bitcoin this month. Let's log into Index. I'm logged into my Index account and I'm going to click on Wallet. This should take me to my dashboard. Here you can see my portfolio value. If I just click on my dashboard here, this is showing me the total value of my portfolio. Click on my wallet. Right on my wallet here, you can see the Bitcoin I have here, 0.00129518, and the value is $192.15. Again, I've invested $200 so far, and as of this recording, this is valued at $192. Today is a red day in the market, but again, I wouldn't pay attention to this short-term dip. In fact, I'm very excited that I'm going to be investing another $100 into Bitcoin when Bitcoin is on a downward trend. If you look at my wallet here, you can see that I have about $138, but I'm not going to be investing all of this. I'm only going to be investing $100 out of this $138. $38. So I'm going to click on my dashboard, change this to BTC Canadian, and I'm going to be investing $100. And this is going to give me 0.006 BTC. And I just click on buy, confirm. This is a market order buying right away. This is the order. This is the current price in Canadian dollars. And I'm just investing $100. And this is the fees. And this is how much Bitcoin I'm going to get. I'm going to click on confirm. I just bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. If I go back to my wallet and scroll to Bitcoin, you can see the value has gone up a little bit. We're going to wait until next month where I'm going to be investing another $100 into Bitcoin. And the goal of this is to invest $100 into Bitcoin for the next 5 years, every last Friday of the month. I'm also doing this for Ethereum. I've invested $200 so far into Ethereum. So next week, I'm going to be showing you again how I'm investing $100 into Ethereum. And I'm also doing this for the next 5 years. As we build this public portfolio, I'm going to start moving this crypto to my personal hardware wallet because again, a crypto exchange is just a marketplace to buy and sell crypto. It's never a platform for you to hold your investment. Remember, not your keys, not your coin. May the market be in our favor. Until then, I'm Umoren, your trusted money coach, and I teach you how to make your money work for you. May the market be in our favor, and I'll see you next month.